HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art!
Hey kids, can you guess what we are going to do today? That's right, we are going to draw a puppet unicorn. First, let's draw the unicorn. Great job! Next, let's draw some lines over it. Nice! Now, let's draw some circles just like this. Keep drawing those circles. There you go! Time to draw an outline. Watch and learn. Now, do you know what time it is? It's painting time. Let's paint it red. Let's start with the top. Let's continue with the second space. Good job! Now let's use orange. And now, yellow. Keep going. Woohoo! Great job! It looks so good. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.
Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a pineapple. Let's start with the head of the pineapple. It has spiky leaves. And now the main part of the pineapple. The little circles are like spikes, up and down, all over the pineapple. Now let's color the pineapple. Should we start with the spiky head? Yes! Let's color it green. Now moving down. I like red. Let's color the top line red. Shiny orange next. Neat and tidy. One circle at a time. Yellow! Bright, just like the sun. One line to match the spike with green. Down to blue, pretty blue. Then we come to purple. What a beautiful pineapple! Colorful as a rainbow.